You know that feeling when you finally finish creating your digital product, you're excited to publish it, and then you hit the listing page and everything stops. You stare at that empty box where the description should go, wondering how to turn your features into something that actually sells. You're not alone. Studies show that more than half of online shoppers skip over confusing or unclear listings, meaning unclear product descriptions could be quietly killing your sales. Writing product listings might seem simple, but it's one of the biggest stress points for creators. It takes too much time. You're second-guessing every word. You want it to sound professional, persuasive, and clear, but somehow it always ends up either too stiff or too vague. And even after all that effort, you're still not sure if it will convert. This frustration is especially real for digital product sellers. Whether you're listing a Notion template, a digital planner, or an ebook, the words are just as important as the product itself. Here's something I wish more people knew. Clarity converts. The most effective product descriptions aren't packed with jargon or fancy sales talk. They're focused, benefit-driven, and timeless. A classic mistake many creators make is listing features like a checklist without explaining how those features improve the buyer's life. Saying invoice generator is one thing. Saying easily track payments and get paid on time tells a clearer story. That shift from feature to benefit is subtle, but it changes everything. Now here's the good news. You don't need to be a professional copywriter to get this right. AI Creator Max was built to help digital product sellers write clearer, high-converting copy in minutes. Inside, there's a tool called Product Descriptions. It's simple to find. Just search for it in the dashboard. And once you open it, you'll see how straightforward it is. No learning curve. Just smart inputs that guide you to better writing fast. Let me walk you through a real example. Imagine you're listing a product called Notion template for freelancers. It includes a client tracker, invoice generator, and a project dashboard. It's fully customizable and beginner-friendly. You want to highlight keywords like freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. You want the tone to be professional, and you want it written in English? You simply enter those details into the tool, hit generate, and in seconds, you have a polished product description that's clear, helpful, and built to convert. You don't even have to stop there. You can save the copy to your email, copy it to your clipboard, or even make quick edits right in the tool. If you love the result, you can rate it 5 stars. If you want to review your past versions, just go to the History tab in the sidebar. Everything is saved automatically so nothing gets lost. This isn't just a time saver, it's a clarity tool, a conversion booster, and a quiet assistant you can use anytime, anywhere. If you're spending hours writing listings or feel unsure about your copy, try the Product Descriptions tool in AI Creator Max. It takes the stress off your plate and gives you a faster, smarter way to write. You can try it completely free at aicreatormax.com. And yes, the link is in the description. Before we wrap up, here's one bonus tip that can instantly increase engagement on your listings. Add a short FAQ section at the end of your description. Answer 1 or 2 common questions your buyer might have, like, is this template beginner-friendly? Or does this work with the free version of Notion? Addressing objections before they happen builds trust and helps close the sale. It's a tiny step that delivers big results. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who's creating and selling digital products. You just discovered a smarter way to write, and I'm glad you found this first.